Business owners are rarely short on ideas. The vision is clear, but the hours required to execute them simply do not exist. Daily operations quietly consume the capacity meant for growth. Managing emails, chasing administrative loose ends, and organizing content quickly take priority over strategic planning. This network diagram illustrates the reality of fragmented systems. Jumping between disconnected software and isolated tasks creates operational friction, continuously draining your cognitive energy throughout the day. This friction accumulates. It leads directly to decision fatigue, turning visionary leaders into reactive, exhausted administrators. Without a dedicated support system or a clear structure for delegation, every minor task defaults back to the business owner. This quiet accumulation of pressure slowly erodes the joy of ownership, transforming a sustainable business model into a high-stress environment. The traditional solutions often create their own problems. Working longer hours leads to burnout. Hiring full-time staff adds significant overhead. Modern operations require flexible, scalable support. Scaling a business safely means finding a dependable, professional way to delegate routine administration. Artificial intelligence is frequently discussed as a futuristic concept. In reality, it is a highly practical, everyday tool for structured delegation. There is a common misconception that utilizing these tools requires coding knowledge, technical expertise, or expensive software subscriptions. That is simply incorrect. Elizabeth Wright has spent a decade providing calm, authoritative business support through admin and more, helping business owners navigate these exact operational challenges. She focuses on accessible platforms like ChatGPT, Claude, Microsoft Copilot, and Google Gemini. These are everyday text and logic processors available to anyone right now. When utilized correctly, these free tools act as an instant, invisible administrative team, completely removing the traditional barriers to high-level delegation. Consider a chaotic brain dump of meeting notes. With the right instruction, these tools turn those scattered thoughts into a structured, actionable project plan in seconds. The AI Made Simple for Busy Business Owners training session bridges the gap between knowing these tools exist and actually using them in your daily workflow. This flowchart contrasts the typical approach to learning tech with our method. We bypass the tangled path of tech jargon entirely, focusing strictly on practical, everyday business use cases. The session relies on live demonstrations, showing you exactly how to communicate with these systems to get accurate, useful results. These real-world examples prove an immediate return on the time invested, particularly for sole traders and consultants managing their own operations. Commanding these tools shifts your role. You step away from doing the administrative work and step into simply directing it. The objective is a sustainable outcome: structural clarity, reduced pressure, and the peace of mind that comes when repetitive tasks are efficiently managed. Every attendee receives the full session recording and the presentation slides to review at their own pace. This document represents the exclusive AI Prompt Starter Guide. It provides the exact phrasing needed for immediate, frictionless implementation in your own business. This training translates theoretical concepts into immediate, sustainable working capacity. This graphic details the investment. The standard price for the session is £97, but an early adopter rate of £47 is available for the first 25 places. The live training session will take place on Wednesday, the 1st of July. Discover how AI saves time, reduces your admin, and creates true capacity. Reserve your place today to secure the early rate and begin reducing your administrative burden. Adopting this support is a dependable step toward working smarter, returning you to your rightful place as the visionary of your business.